Hey there, bike enthusiasts! Are you ready to take your biking experience to the next level? Today, we're diving into the world of affordable adventure with the dual shock absorption folding bicycle. This bike is designed to bring you the best of both worlds, rugged durability and compact convenience. This isn't your average bike. It's packed with features that make it stand out from the crowd. It's designed for everyone. Teenagers hitting the trails, middle schoolers cruising around, women seeking fitness, and even seasoned cyclists looking for a reliable ride, and adults looking for weekend fun or a new way to commute. This bike is all about versatility and convenience, packing some serious features into a compact package. From its dual shock absorbers to its lightweight frame, it's built to handle any terrain. Whether you're navigating bumpy trails or zipping through city streets, this bike promises a smooth and enjoyable ride. The dual shock absorption system ensures that every ride is comfortable, no matter the surface. But the real kicker? It folds right up. Imagine the convenience of having a full-size bike that you can easily store away. That's right, this bike is your ticket to easy storage and transport. Perfect for those with limited space or who love to travel. No more bulky bike racks or struggling to fit your ride in the trunk. Just fold it up and go. The dual shock absorption folding bicycle is here to simplify your life and maximize your riding pleasure. It's the perfect blend of innovation and practicality. Let's see what this bad boy can do. Get ready to experience biking like never before. Let's talk about what makes this bike so special. This isn't just any ordinary bike, it's designed with the adventurer in mind, packed with features that cater to both performance and convenience. First up, we've got dual shock absorption. This advanced system ensures that your ride is as smooth as possible, no matter how rough the terrain gets. This means a smoother ride on rough terrain, absorbing those bumps and jolts so you don't have to. Whether you're navigating rocky paths or uneven ground, this bike handles it all with ease. Next up is the folding capability. This feature is perfect for those who are always on the go. This bike folds down to half its size, making storage and transportation a breeze. You can easily fit it in your car trunk or store it in a small apartment without any hassle. Imagine taking your bike on vacation, easily fitting it in your apartment, or even bringing it on public transport, no sweat. The convenience it offers is unmatched. But what about the price tag? You might be wondering if all these features come at a hefty cost. Here's the good news. The dual shock absorption folding bicycle is surprisingly affordable. It's designed to offer premium features without the premium price. And right now it's even more enticing with a limited time discount. This is the perfect opportunity to get your hands on this incredible bike. You're getting top-notch features without breaking the bank. The quality and performance of this bike are truly exceptional. Stay tuned for the exact discount details later in the review. You won't want to miss out on this fantastic offer. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the specifications. This bike boasts a sturdy frame with a generous weight capacity, perfect for riders of all sizes. The pedals are designed for comfort and efficiency, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable ride. Safety is paramount, which is why this bike features reliable brakes for quick stopping power. The wheels are a good size for both paved roads and light trails, offering a balanced riding experience. The fork type provides excellent shock absorption, further enhancing your comfort on bumpy rides. And let's not forget the materials. This bike is built to last, using high-quality components that can withstand regular use. Section 4, Ride-on Benefits and Use Cases. Now let's talk about why this bike is perfect for everyone. Whether you're a teenager looking for some off-road excitement, a middle schooler who needs a lightweight and easy-to-handle bike, or an adult seeking weekend adventures, this bike has something for everyone. Teenagers will love its cool look and ability to handle off-road adventures. The rugged design and durable build make it perfect for tackling challenging trails and rough terrains, ensuring a thrilling ride every time. Middle schoolers can easily maneuver the bike thanks to its lightweight design. The intuitive handling and responsive controls make it a breeze to ride, whether they're navigating through a park or taking on a dirt path. Women will appreciate the comfortable ride and the ease of folding it up for storage. The ergonomic design ensures a smooth and enjoyable ride, while the compact folding feature makes it convenient to store in small spaces. And adults, well, this bike is their ticket to weekend fun, whether it's exploring new trails or simply enjoying a leisurely ride in the park. The versatile design caters to both adventurous spirits and those looking for a relaxing outdoor activity. Speaking of adventures, this bike is perfect for camping trips. Its robust build and reliable performance make it an excellent companion for outdoor excursions, allowing you to explore nature with ease. Just fold it up, toss it in the trunk, and you're good to go. The compact size when folded ensures it fits easily alongside your camping gear, making transportation a breeze. It's also ideal for commuters who need a reliable and portable way to navigate the urban jungle. The bike's foldable design and sturdy construction make it perfect for city dwellers who need to switch between biking and public transit seamlessly. Section 5. Final verdict: an affordable adventure awaits. The dual shock absorption folding bicycle is more than just a bike. It's your passport to affordable adventure. With its combination of comfort, convenience, and affordability, this bike is an excellent choice for riders of all ages and skill levels. Don't miss out on the limited time discount. It's your chance to experience the joy of cycling without breaking the bank. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and ride on.